A lot of us grew up thinking that loving yourself means you're stuck up. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lakeisha. We're talking about self-love. And not the fake smile, everything will be okay type self-love. The real self-love. The kind that shows up when you don't feel confident, when you're tired, when you're overwhelmed, when you're comparing yourself to others, or you feel like you always pouring into others and don't pour into yourself. This video is for you. What is self-love? Let's start with this. Self-love is how you treat yourself when nobody else is watching. It's the way you speak to yourself in your head. It's the choices you make for your life. It's what you allow and what you don't allow. And I want to say this clearly. Self-love is not being selfish. Self-love is respect. Because a lot of us grew up thinking that loving yourself means you're stuck up or you think you're better than people. And that's not what it means at all. Self-love means I matters, my feelings matters, my peace matters, my health matters, and my happiness also matters. Self-love is important because if you don't love you, tolerate disrespect, you will keep shrinking yourself to make others feel comfortable. You'll stay in situations longer than you should just because you're scared of being alone. And I've learned this the hard way. When you don't love yourself, you start looking for love in other places that were never meant to hold you. Start craving validation. You start needing people to choose you so you feel worthy. But trust me, when you start building self-love, things change. You stop begging, you stop chasing, you stop settling. I want to be honest with you. Self-love is not something like you wake up one morning and you're like, I love myself now. No, it's a process. Some days you feel good about yourself. Other days you don't even want to look in the mirror. And both days are normal. Self-love isn't always about feeling confident. It's about being kind to yourself when you don't even feel your best. I'm going to give you some things you can do to show yourself some love. You could talk to yourself kinder. Let's start here because that is huge. The way you speak to yourself matters. If you spoke to your best friend the way you speak to yourself sometimes, their feelings will be hurt. They would cry. So why you feel like it's okay to talk to yourself like that? Instead of saying things like, I'm so stupid, you could try, I made a mistake, but I'm still learning. Or example number 2, you might say, I look horrible, you could try, I may not feel my best today, but I am still worthy of love. Things like that. Talk to yourself good. Make yourself feel good. Talk to yourself like you would want others to talk to you. 2, stop waiting until you're perfect. A lot of us think we can't love ourselves until we lose weight, we get money, we fix our skin, we get our dream life, we finally glow up. But if you keep telling yourself you will love you later, you will keep pushing yourself further and further away. You don't need to earn love. You deserve it right now, even in the messy middle. Set boundaries. Self-love is saying, I'm not doing that anymore. I'm not explaining myself anymore. I'm protecting my peace. And boundaries don't mean you're mean. It means you're finally making room to breathe. Because being available to everybody 24/7 will literally drain you. And sometimes self-love looks like saying no, blocking what don't serves you, leaving situations to keep crying in, not responding right away, and choosing rest over stress. 4, keep promises to yourself. One of the biggest ways to build self-love is by trusting yourself again. Because a lot of people don't realize this. When you constantly break promises to yourself, it hurts your confidence. For example, I'm going to start taking care of my skin, but you don't. I'm going to stop going back, but you do. I'm going to be constant, but you stop. So start small. Even something like, I'm going to drink water today. I'm going to take a shower and do my skincare. I'm going to clean my space for 10 minutes. I'm going to journal for 5 minutes. Because every time you keep a promise to yourself, your confidence grows. Take care of your body. It's someone you love. Self-love isn't just mental. It's physical. It's eating because you deserve nourishment. It's resting because you're not a machine. It's moving your body because you want to feel strong. Let me say this. You don't have to punish your body to become better. You can treat your body with love while improving. Stop comparing yourself to other people. Comparison is a self-love killer. Social media makes everybody look like they have it together. but we don't really know what's happening behind the scenes. Someone's highlight reel is not your real life. You are not behind, you are not late, you are not failing, you're growing. And growth doesn't always look pretty. Forgive yourself. Self-love is forgiveness. Forgive yourself for what you don't know, what you allowed, what you stayed in, what you tolerated, what you did out of survival. You were doing the best you could with what you had at that time. Give yourself grace. I want to end this video by saying something that you might need to hear today. You deserve love, even on the days you don't feel lovable. Even when you feel tired, even when you feel insecure, even when you feel like you're not doing enough. Self-love isn't about being perfect. It's about choosing yourself one step at a time. So today I want you to do one thing for you, even if it's small. And if you have made it this far in the video, comment "I choose myself," because you do. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.